DALL-E 3 is OpenAI's image generation and analysis AI. With the latest version of GPT-4, DALL-E is integrated into ChatGPT, and therefore we can directly create and analyze images in ChatGPT. You don't have to activate this in any way. All you need again is the GPT-4 model, and with that by default you can create images in your conversations. We'll have a dedicated module where we dive deeper into DALL-E. In this lecture, I just want to give you a quick overview of the tool. You can create images directly in your conversation. So here we ask ChatGPT to create a realistic image of a dog running through a park. And now DALL-E is active and the generation of the image takes a few moments. And this looks quite good actually, I would say. We didn't provide many instructions here, and we'll dive deeper into the prompting techniques to create the images we want in this dedicated module. But generally, for a first simple try, this doesn't look too shabby, I would say. You can then download the image to your machine and then use it in your projects. Let's create a totally different image type as a second example. Here I want to have an oil painting of a pirate ship lying in the bay. Again, very short prompt, as I don't want to dive deeper into these prompting techniques at this stage of the course. But ChatGPT, or DALL-E in this case, is not limited to a specific image style. So you have complete freedom regarding the type of image and the image style that you want to create. And this looks even better, I would say. Though we only provided the information that we want to see a pirate ship in a bay, DALL-E automatically added this nice mood to this image. So this really looks like a scary pirate ship here if you look at it. So these two examples show you that you can quickly generate great looking images with very simple prompts with DALL-E in ChatGPT-4. DALL-E is not limited to creating images though. We can also upload and analyze images directly in ChatGPT. The corresponding option can be found in the left area of our message box. Here I prepared a JPEG for you, this book JPEG, which you can also find attached to this lecture. And if I open this, I get a quick preview, which I can select here. This is a page of a book that Max wrote, React Key Concepts, a book about React.js. And now I want to check if DALL-E is able to analyze this text here. Specifically, I want to ask who is the author of this book. Now let's see if DALL-E is able to do that. So, who is the author of this book? And DALL-E was able to analyze the text and come up with the right answer. Now, of course, you could not only focus onto a specific part of this image, you could also extract the entire information from that image to copy and paste it to another file, for example. So with that prompt, extract the entire text from the image, we should get all the text DALL-E can analyze and get it back in our conversation. This took a few moments, and this also contains some mistakes as stated by ChatGPT already down here. But generally, besides these little problems, for example right here or right there, the core content was interpreted and analyzed correctly. So once again, you should double check such things in ChatGPT to make sure the results don't contain any errors. But this should give you a first idea about how you can create images in ChatGPT and how you can also analyze images directly in your conversation.